Good afternoon, everyone. It's Rachel here, and today I'm just going to do a flip through of these two document style journals, and I'm also going to share with you this lovely journal that I got from a lady that I met in Australia when I was there. I've just tied it back up again. She's the journalnest.com, and her name is Kate, and she's been making, I don't know for how long she's been making journal. I've just got a piece of linen down here, guys. Actually, I'm going to make it into a scarf. Anyway, I don't know how long she's been making journals for, but she has a lovely style, and I just wanted to share it with you. It's different style to what I'm used to seeing, so I thought it was interesting, and she's wrapped it up with this lovely trim, and then just in this beautiful it's calico, but isn't this cool? And she recycles. She's very I can't speak, sorry guys. She's into recycling jeans, which I think is wonderful, and she makes really cool covers with the jeans and makes these super chunky journals, and I just thought this was fun because it's different to what I do, and I just thought it was fun to have one. So, and I will share, she's just started YouTube, so I'll share her channel below. I'm not sure where she sells her journals. I think she would, she does sell them because she just really loves making them. And here it is. And, but I don't know. I think maybe you just have to contact her. I'm not quite sure. I think that, there we go. Oh, this is imagine even just making this. Really cool. Super cool. Journal jewelry. And that just attaches and moves over there. Yeah, and you'll see what I mean. Very different style to me, but I really do like it. Now, do I have this upside down? I do. That's the front with the pocket. Oh, cool. And the pocket actually works. Okay, so a lot of Tim Holtz fabrics in there, and just really fun. A lot of fun made items. A little envelope, belly band. I won't pull everything out. We'll just quickly have a little flip through. Really nice vellum pocket there with a journal card made in there. I always get my tags and my journal cards mixed up. Little pocket with, oh, just all so cute. Lovely. That might be a printable, that one. And this looks like it's tea dyed. And some Tim Holtz paper, journal card. So this is going to take pride and place up on my shelf with my other ones, and just a lovely little pocket there. And yeah, so she's got some different ideas. And Kate will be sharing those. Love that, on her channel. I better not chat for too long, had I? I've got to do the other flip through. So there's a lovely tag there. Envelope. I think there's a bit of stenciling happening there. That flips out. That's cute. And that's a tuck. There's a belly band. So sweet. And that flips up, and then another little pocket there. So lots and lots of ideas here. Butterfly. That's a side tuck. So made out of a snippet. So Kate's using her snippets a lot, which I'm a bit of a vagabond and don't do. I think that might be a match book flip. Oh, isn't that cool? Love that idea. Love that idea, Kate. And then this, I think, flips up. How pretty. And then a lovely envelope. Love how you've got the lace there just to pull the things out. And then there's a bit of journaling paper there, another journal card with some tea or coffee dyed muslin-y sort of fabric. And just so the colours are just gorgeous. Just very neutrals and blues and mustardy yellows. I love that. That is really gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So lots of lovely ideas in here. I will definitely be peekabooing in here when I'm stuck. That flips out. Oops. Try not to damage anything. Happens to me all the time too. I love that. I love how you use the butterfly paper and then you attached another butterfly on top. I think that's really cool. Tuck spot there. Super pretty. Another tuck spot there. So obviously the theme is nature, And then here we have a paper clip with a whole lot of things in there. Oh, look at that with the tag. That's really cool. Did I just, no, I didn't put 2 papers to 2 pages, just gorgeous. Look at that, I love that. It's kind of like a, I don't know, some sort of rice paper or something, but it's perforated. And just a lovely piece of fabric in there. Pocket. Love the vellum pockets. Little butterfly in that one. That's really cute. It kind of looks like an envelope. And then we've got a like a cellophane sort of pocket there. Glassine pocket. I'm not going to put, as I said, I'm not pulling everything out. And then this pocket's been printed on, but underneath there's an image, which I think is really cool. And then that's the end, and that's the back page. And another writable spot in there. So that is Kate's beautiful journal. As I said, she's the Journal Nest, and she has just started on YouTube and has put up already a lot of videos, which is great. I'm going to wrap that around there and then just bring it around and tuck it under there. I think that's going to be good. And then I'll tie the bow on it, and I'll put Kate's, well, the bow's got Kate's lovely card on there, so I don't forget. But I've actually subscribed to her channel, so that's, I've already done that. I'll put that on there, wrap it around, and I'm going to tie a bow. It's not quite the right length, but does it matter? No, not really. I'll do that after. So that's Kate's beautiful journal. And then I just wanted to do a quick flip through of these. Now, am I on screen? I've got to be careful not to move it, because otherwise you guys will not be able to see. So I just tied this aquary, turquoisey, whatever, sari trim on there. And this is the cover, as you saw me make that. And then we filled these pockets together. So I won't do it all, because I'm going to show you the other journal as well. Because we filled a lot of this. I just added that together. But the other one, I filled the pockets off camera, so we'll look at that one more. I added that one there. Yeah, I did go in and add a few more bits. I added that. So I just paper clip things to the pages, so whoever owns it, or if anyone does own it, they have the option. This is like one of my favorite spreads. They have the option of I made that and I did end up gluing that, put that in there. They have the option of, you know, embellishing themselves. I just added that. So everything can be taken out and then put back in to the journal. Paper clipped those 2 on there. Just making sure that one was finished. There we go. Paper clip that one. That. Oh, I think I want to add something in there. I'll just add this lovely piece of scripty-doo. Oh, look at that. That's going to go in there. So I might fold it. I don't want it to be too wide. I missed that one. I'm just going to tuck that, maybe like that, in here. You can do something with that. Added those. And then at the back, I added this pocket, and it did fit. It was one of those ones I made with these 3D, and I added in these little pieces that we made together, and then I added this in. Oh, I've got a little pocket there. I'll put something in that. I didn't remember that I made that into a little pocket. This is really damaged, so I'm just going to fold it. It's been flying around for a while, so it's going to go to a new home. So that's just tucked in there. Got a tag in there and another piece of scripty sort of writing. And I added the book plate as well, which is there. This book belongs to. And so that's the first journal. And that's going in my, that will already be in my Etsy shop. It might be gone by the time the video comes up. I don't know. It depends when I put it in. And then this one is spoken for. And, oh, I forgot to mention, I did add at the bottom here, I did add at the back this lace here. And I've done something similar in the other one, but a different lace. So I did add this to this one as well. Can you see that? No, I added this too because they're too tall. They don't fit. Okay, so I've added a old scripted piece. I made this out of a leftover journal page. I think it's super pretty and spring-like. And then those two, just paper clip them in place. Just some Florentine paper, and I put a little tag in there and that little envelope. It's not double-sided printed, so if you want, or you can use it for collaging, or you can double-side. You can, you know, collage on the other side. I added some washi tape because this page for some reason didn't go through properly, and then I put that tag and then just that piece of ephemera in there. In here I added this beautiful 1700s page and these two, which I think are super pretty. Just pull them and layer them so you can see all the different colors. I added this envelope with, oh, that little journal card in it, and then that's just a piece of old document from the 1800s. It's got no writing on it, and I just added the little cute little bunny there because I just like that, doing that. And they seem to sit nicely in the pockets. Added that tag there that we made together. I added this beautiful page. I added a different one in the other one, so I wanted to do similar things, and that journal tag. Love the look of all of that. Just wonderful. So I added that tag up there, added this flower. Just like the look of it on that page. Here I made a journal card out of some journal paper and just added that tag, and I think I made that a while ago, and did the same over here. So it's a leftover piece of journal paper that was, you know, one-sided. I added that there. I just thought it was really just pretty colors, and that on the reverse side, and then just paper clipped a journal card in there. These journal cards too, because they're a little bit bigger, and they, unless you have a super, yeah, they don't, unless it's a side tuck sort of pocket, they don't really fit. So I just paper clip them in, and they can be removed and used somewhere else. And then I put those in that one. Added, this one I had done a top tuck with some lace, so I just added that there and a bit of Florentine paper to add a bit of color behind it. Here I paper clipped this one and added just a piece of script. I think it may have come from the nuns, I'm not sure. It's not that old, it might be, it'll be 1900 something. And then here I added this and this one. I think I have a pocket in there. I need to add something in that pocket as well, because I did have some little bits and pieces I thought that I didn't put away up here. Let me just see. Or I may have put them away because I did do a bit of tidying. What do I have that's little up here? Because any of this will do. Nothing really small. I might have used it all. It's highly unlikely. These are leftovers from all the things that we've made. Oh, I might put that in there. A communion card, does that fit? Oh, it does, just. I'm going to put the communion card in there and maybe one of these, or this one. Add that one in it. I think I'll add it at the front because it's pretty. I like the colours. There we go. So that's in that one. Oh, I do have quite a few little things. Okay, good to know. Good to know. So that's that one. It just pops in there. And then we have this paper clipped in, and that's the other side of that paper that I've just put some washi tape, added the little chick there, paper clip, just a journal card there, a tag there, and these all go in the pocket. I didn't put them in yet. So this one got this pocket. I did trim it down and I actually really like it. And then I added this lace here, and there's this book belongs to, and this one's going to have this paper behind. I'm not pushing it, can go right down, but I'm not pushing it right down because I want to see all the layers. So I added an extra thing in this one because the other one had 2 pockets, so it had more things. I try to make them as sort of even as possible. I slide that one down and then put that one in front. So we've got 4 things in there. So that is the other journal. So this one is spoken for. This one at the time of when I publish this will be in my shop, but it could have sold by the time you go over there. I don't know. It may not. Easter has passed. I won't be offended if it doesn't go. It is a little bit Eastery, but not overly Eastery. So yeah, I'm going to tie some sari around that one. I think I'm going to use a cream one. I think this one would like a cream sari on it. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you enjoyed seeing Kate's beautiful work, and have a wonderful day, and I will see you again soon. Bye.